Breaking news, peoples! Carnival is removing something that is upside down. Wanna know about it? Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Yo. Cruz Shadow here with Ada Lucas Studios. Yo, you all gotta listen to this. Many cruise travelers enjoy decorating their staterooms doors with whiteboards, magnets, and theme designs, but one certain theme is no longer permitted aboard Carnival cruise ships. Oh my lord! In response to a request for singles meetups and one commenter's suggestion for a specific decorative accent, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador John Hill has confirmed that the upside down pineapple decorations are not permitted and will be removed. This sucks. The topic was raised when one frequent cruiser asked Hill about the possibility of adding single cruiser meetups to the Carnival Hub app. Hill noted that singles events used to be offered on board but aren't as popular these days. Unfortunately, it is not really possible to add single certifications or connections on the cruise line's app. But Hill does ask other commenters how they might have met that someone special while cruising. One response referenced a particularly spicy cruise trend, the upside down pineapple decoration. Hill was quick to respond to that idea, however, and firmly noted it will not be permitted. The upside down pineapple has a secret meaning on cruise ships, indicating that the individuals in that particular stateroom are open to the idea of swinging or wife swapping. While not illegal, this behavior can lead to tense situations between passengers, especially if both partners might have different ideas of what might or might not be acceptable or should interact with whom. More commenters chimed in, noting that their seen pineapple doors decorations right side up, upside down, and sideways. What does that mean? That haven't been removed on their cruises. Unfortunately, the enforcement of the restrictions appears to be somewhat lax. For those who aren't aware of what a pineapple decoration might mean, using these fun tropical fruits on their stateroom's door might create awkward and unwanted situations. While Hill has only noted the pineapple decorations are as now prohibited, it is possible that other secret symbols in stateroom door decorations might also be frowned on and subsequently removed. That could mean that the pink flamingos, unicorns, garden gnomes, and other decorations might also be prohibited. Now we're getting a little bit too of a cancel situation deal here, you know. So Carnival crews are permitted to decorate their cabin doors, but must follow the cruise line's guidelines for safety. For example, others must be fire retardant, might only be attached to the door and not the surrounding walls, and might not include adhesives that could damage the door surface finish. Magnets are a popular option for many cruise travelers and come in a wide range of themes and fun designs, including birthday, anniversary, and other special occasions options. Personalized designs are also very popular. Decorating one's cabin door can be more than just a fun option for many travelers. When a ship has thousands of staterooms and long corridors or identical doors, unique decorations can make it easier to find one's cabin without accidentally knocking on a stranger's door. Decorations can also be useful for groups or travelers to find one another when they might not all have staterooms near each other. For example, some family members on a group cruise might book balcony cabins or suites, while others prefer family staterooms or interior cabins. Carnival Cruise Lines does offer a variety of staterooms decorations for purchase, but the different banners and fun items are interior accents, not door decorations meant to display in the hallway. Have you decorated your stateroom door? Would you use pineapples for decorations? Share your tips here. Let me know. Put in the comments and see what you feel about that. I got a message sent to me by Scott Smith earlier about this. I thought it was a joke, so I said I gotta read it, I gotta check it out, and I gotta make a blog out of it. So here we go. Let's see what the final thing will come. This is not gonna stop now. I don't care how much they want to take that stuff off. Things are gonna continue. It's just part of the fun to having Carnival and other cruise lines. So we'll see what happens. What do you think? Leave it in the comments. Let me know. All right. Any other stuff that comes up, I'll bring it to you. So until then, have a great day. Talk to you soon. Cruise Chatter, Eddie Lucas Studios. See you soon. Bye. You pineapple people, you.